Chapter 23. I learn to hop around the house. I stay near furniture and walls to steady myself, and although I feel like I'm lumbering and loud, it's easier than using clutches. My bed and dresser are downstairs in the family room, instead of sleeping in the last room on the right upstairs. I'm now in the first room on the left after you come in the front door. I'm separated from the entry hall by a half wall with white balusters. I don't know where they moved the clutches, but I do know they did a lot of heavy lifting to set this up for me, and that I should be more appreciative than I am. It's hard, though, because I feel like a stranger in my own house. I can't get to the things I want. I can't find the things I need, and I spend way too much time watching TV. The only time I feel halfway normal is when we are at the kitchen table. It's like seeing each other from the waist up helps us forget about the stuff lurking beneath the surface. I also feel like a stranger to myself. Everything irritates me, and cheery people just make that worse. My friends call, they come by, they bring me plants and chocolate and get well cards. They want to cheer me up. It isn't working. When they are here, I'm quiet and awkward, and I can't wait for them to leave. When they are gone, I cry. I cry and wish they'd come back. They won't, though, and I know it. I probably wouldn't either.